everyone, my name is Jalino Hariza, and today I would like to present the result of my interview about education in the digital era. I chose this topic because education is a very important part of our lives, and today learning is strongly influenced by technology. Students now use the internet, online platform, and digital tools almost every day. I want to know how students feel about this change and what challenges they face. For this interview, I work with one of my friends who is currently a university student. In my interview is my friend Chelsea. She is a first-year university student majoring in management. As an active student, she has experienced both offline and online learning, so she has a good perspective on how education has changed in recent years. Hello, today I'm here with my friend to talk about education in today's digital era. Thank you for joining me. Could you introduce yourself?
Hi, thank you for having me. My name is Chelsea and I am a university student majoring in management.
Great. As a student, how do you feel education has changed compared to the past?
I think education has changed a lot, especially with technology. Now we use online platforms, digital books, and video meetings for learning. It's very different from the past when everything was done only in the classroom with print books.
Do you enjoy learning with technology?
Yes, in some ways I do. Technology makes learning more flexible because I can study anytime and anywhere. I can also search for additional material easily on the internet, but sometimes it also makes me less focus because there are many distractions like social media.
What challenges do you usually face in your learning process?
One big challenge is staying motivated, especially when learning online. Sometimes I feel tired of looking at the screen for too long. Another challenge is managing time because when studying from home, it's easy procrastinate.
That's very relatable. Do you think face-to-face classes are still important?
Yes, definitely. Face-to-face classes help me understand lessons better because I can ask questions directly and interact with friends. It also feels more motivating to study together in the same class.
In your opinion, what makes a lesson interesting for students?
I think interactive teaching methods make lesson more interesting. For example, discussion, group project, quizzes, or using video. When the lecturer only talks for the whole class, it can be boring and hard to focus.
How do you usually motivate yourself to study?
I try to remember my goals like graduating on time and getting a good job in the future. I also make a study schedule and take short breaks so I don't feel too stressed.
What skills do you think students need to survive in today's world?
I think communication skill, critical thinking, and the ability to use technology are very important. Besides that, Students also need to be adaptable because things change very quickly nowadays.
What advice would you give to other students about learning in this digital era?
My advice is to use technology wisely. Don't just use your phone or for entertainment, but also for learning. And to stay disciplined even when studying online because depends on our own effort.
Thank you so much for sharing your experience and opinions.
You're welcome. I'm happy to be part of this interview.
Based on the interview, I found that technology has a big impact on students' learning experiences. On one hand, technology makes learning more flexible and easier. Students can access materials anytime and anywhere. They can also find educational information quickly from the internet. However, there are also challenges. My interview mentioned that distraction from social media and lack of motivation are common problems. Learning from screens for too long can also make students feel tired and less focused. She also said that face-to-face learning is still very important because it helps students understand lessons better and feel more motivated through direct interaction. From this interview, I personally think that technology is very helpful in education, but it cannot fully replace direct interaction between teacher and student. I agree that students need to be more disciplined when learning in the digital era. Technology can support learning, but success still depends on students' motivation, time management, and responsibility. I also believe in teachers and lecturers play an important role in guiding students, not only academically but also in building good character in study habits. In conclusion, education in the digital era brings both advantage and challenges. Technology makes learning easier and more accessible, but it also creates distraction and requires students to be more independent. From this interview, we can see that students must learn how to use technology wisely and stay motivated in their studies. Education is not only about getting good grades, but also about developing skills and character for the futures. Thank you for watching my presentation.